Howdy folks, Moose Peterson here, and welcome to Nellis Air Force Base for Aviation Nation Airshow. This is just an amazing place to sit there and take photographs. So we're taking you there on a new class. Now we're going to talk about everything from photographing jets, doing formations, working with gear, dealing with the heat, dealing with taking care of yourself, but more importantly, how to arrange the elements in that viewfinder. So when you've got the jets, you've got the helicopters, you have the great sneak attacks, you have the smoke, you have all those elements that make an air show exciting, fun, are just all going to be crammed in this class and a lot more. So yeah, I'm not going to talk about just, a lens and pointing it somewhere. We're going to talk about very specific things like you're sitting there shooting aperture priority to get the jet, but then you want to get that quick shot of the helo, you need to slow down the shutter speed. How do you do that? Grab your big lens, clean the sensor, charge the batteries, put on the sunblock, don your sling bag. This is all going to happen for you at KelbyOne.com.